Right, we'll just do it for another one of our bird nesting nature walk type things.
We've just passed the wood charm. We've never really seen it before, so we're just going to have a little look through.
We're just driving down the road and we're seeing the gate and the bridge there. They're all just parked up. Forestry been clearing all that, like. But down here there looks like a good little crag all the way down, doesn't it?
There's a little stream, so we'll have a little look through. Find something.
Because it's like we're a good 15 miles away from where we live, so we're trying out other woodlands. We did come here late summer last year, wasn't it?
Aye.
Aye, but there was no kicking around.
End of the season.
Aye.
Wasn't it?
But it's going to be worth checking out that somewhere there, like. The holes in the wall especially.
And for the white field.
Aye. We'll check that on the way back or something. We'll can, because this looks like a good crag. In fact, we'll go down the pass and we'll come up the water.
Aye, we'll have a look
Because
at these woods, we might.
It looks easy enough to walk up. And we'll have a look down through the woods, see what we can see in here.
Because the summer's eventually come properly, hasn't it?
Aye, we're nicely into the spring now. We can hear a lot more birds, and it was only a week ago when we walked out and there was no kicking around, wasn't it?
Oh, it's still nearly like winter weather, just over a week ago, wasn't it?
So we'll have a better chance today, hopefully. Right, we've just come down this path here, just a few yards.
Literally a few, guys.
And just up there,
I think it's probably a missile thrush. It's just when the height, it could be a song thrush, like. But it's the height of it. Song thrushes are normally low in hedgerows and hollies and that, but
birds actually sitting on it.
I think it's a missile thrush, actually. It's got to be honest.
It should be. You didn't find many song thrushes that high, do you?
Song thrushes like sitting on like blackbirds low down, aren't they?
But either way, we'll never get rid.
No, if we walk back up,
I think it is going to be a song thrush, like.
You think?
Aye.
It's
a different nest. It's a song thrush. Now, the more you look at it, you can see all the twigs and the moss. Missile thrushes, they build a different nest, and the bird looks small, doesn't it? The nest even looks small.
It's just I've never seen a song thrush as high up.
That was a song thrush in there last year, if you remember, just in that ivy. The bird flew off that one last year when we looked at it. You can see it all hanging out.
Song thrushes, mate. You know what I mean? It's that way since I've seen a missile thrushes.
Aye.
I don't think what they're like. But,
I didn't think missile thrushes use twigs and that. It's mostly like, the blades of grass.
just like.
It's all grass nest.
See, I think.
So we'll go on further down. We'll just leave that. Right, we just thought we'll put the camera back on because just there in front of the way you can see that big beech.
We didn't normally type with trees like, but it's some size beech tree, that mean, isn't it?
Oh, it is huge.
That's where we mostly fund owls, isn't it?
Aye.
And the beech trees, isn't it?
Aye, the last two owls were fun have been in the beech. Got some big old trees here. They're not that big where we live, like, that one is massive. They normally grow small and, like where the branches split out.
It's not that. We cut a lot of the big beech. We live for the plant all the conifers and that.
Yeah, Forestry Commission and that.
I remember my fella on it when he was a kid in the 50s and 60s. All our local woods were just big beech trees and oak trees.
Aye.
We cut them all down.
Spoil everything.
We'll get to the bottom of here, then we'll make our way up this stream.
Aye, because it's looking like we're losing the crag type place, aren't we?
We'll have a little bit more.
Oh.
A little bit more time.
Right, we've come up to, we went down the wood and come back up there.
We've done the song. I mean, we couldn't get a look at it, it was a bit high, but it was definitely sitting on the
Oh, sitting on the
there,
nest,
like,
aye.
sitting on young eggs or whatever.
There's a few of these holes in this bridge type thing. But I'm gonna climb on and
Stinks
have
a
a
bit
look.
of stream egg, doesn't it?
It does, you can smell it. Aye. See if I can get a run here. I don't know if that looks like an old Wren's or a Dippers or something. I'll just try and zoom in on it.
You can get run there anyway, can you?
Didn't know what that is.
It looks like it probably could have been around Dippers or something.
Aye. It's big enough, isn't it?
But
Aye, that was. With it getting wet, I mean, we didn't want to get wet because we've got a lot of work to do. Just for the sake of looking at a couple of holes, I'll turn the camera. We'll get it run. No, we'll just come on the other side. That's where we were a few minutes ago.
I'm just having to check this because we've got the little bit tunnel run through here, which you
Aye.
can see. Like, put the camera on road, June, just get. I can't see any
Aye.
holes in there. Like.
There's a couple of little drainage holes, isn't there? But they're only.
It looks like there's a little bit nest. In
Oh,
hole
yeah,
over
that
there,
one.
but
Aye.
not bad, like.
It looks old, doesn't it? So I jump down and have a. Oh, it's not sinky. It's actually alright.
Probably an old one, like.
Oh, I can see the bird sitting on it.
Is it?
Aye, I think it's a grey wagtail.
Oh, really?
It is, a grey wagtail. You can see the yellow back end tail.
I'm trying to move the lines. Have a look.
Aye, I'll just zoom in on it.
Alright, you can see teeth sticking over the nest.
Aye,
It'll be sitting eggs, won't it?
it will be, aye.
Just sitting staring straight at you. When you look at the nest though, it looks old, doesn't it, when you see the...
It does, aye, it's just what it's been using.
They use old stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Like old breed stuff.
Good camouflage. Well, we thought the bridge looked good.
It's another place where we've got to come here if I ever want to...
Because we did see...
Well, we've had any luck this year looking at the local hotels.
Oh, no. Because we did see a few old nests in the holes down the bottom there. What we're just run a few minutes ago and we thought we'd check these ones out and... Oh, good find straight away. Because we thought the bridge might have looked a bit older, like, but it's modern underneath.
Right.
It's been modernised.
Not modern like but
No, it's been like repaired.
There's no...
It's not the old brickwork with the holes in, is it?
Cracks and stuff in with it.
It's definitely been modernised.
So that's good.
But that's worth coming here just to look at that.
Is it definitely good?
You can see the yellow on the back of the tail. It's definitely grey. The grey
We didn't really
wagtail.
get the yellows up here, do we?
They nest on the ground then, didn't it?
Aye, but I'm saying we didn't really get them up this way.
Oh, no, no.
Up north,
Aye.
well, we've never come across where I've ever seen them.
You sort of find them in fields and all, you know, like on the edges of fields and where you've got the... Well, it's hard to explain because they're nesting in that many different places, like, isn't it? But aye.
Yeah, right, should we get away somewhere else?
Aye, we'll go and check somewhere else. We'll find a couple in here.
No, it's not bad.
We're not going to disturb it, we're just going to leave it. I've got to try and climb back up here now. I'll stand up there and get up. Right, so we'll call that an end for this one, and we'll see what happens in the next one. Thanks for watching.